So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add curved shadow to an image here on a Keynote presentation. So once you open up Keynote, select your photo, then press on the photo, go to the right hand side to where it says style, make sure that's selected, then go down to where it says shadow, press on the no shadow drop down, go to the bottom, press on curved shadow just like this. Now once you're here, you can change to make sure the shadow goes outwards like that or inwards like that. You can change the offset as well, making it go up or down. And you can change the opacity, making it darker or lighter. You can also change the angle of it as well, also slightly. And lastly, you can go ahead and change the photo or change the color. So if you want maybe pink one right there or red just like that, you can play around with it, do what you have to do. But it's pretty straightforward. So that is how you guys can add curved shadow to an image here on a Keynote presentation. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.